Let's talk about the Cybersecurity Grant Program. The Cybersecurity Grant Program is a new initiative launched by OpenAI. It aims to support projects that apply AI to defensive cybersecurity by providing $1 million in funding over 4 years. The program is open to anyone with a practical idea of using AI for defensive cybersecurity and a vision of a secure AI-driven future. The goal is to empower defenders, measure capabilities, and foster discourse at the intersection of AI and cybersecurity. For more information and to apply, visit the OpenAI website. Some of the project ideas that the program is interested in are collecting and labeling data from cyber defenders to train defensive cybersecurity agents, detecting and mitigating social engineering tactics, automating incident triage, identifying security issues in source code, assisting network or device forensics, automatically patching vulnerabilities, optimizing patch management processes, developing or improving confidential compute on GPS, creating honeypots and deception technology to misdirect or trap attackers, assisting reverse engineers in creating signatures and behavior-based detections of malware, analyzing an organization's security controls and comparing to compliance regimes, assisting developers to create secure by design and secure by default software, assisting end users to adopt security best practices, aiding security engineers and developers to create robust threat models, producing threat intelligence with salient and relevant information for defenders tailored to their organization, helping developers port code to memory-safe languages. The application process is simple and straightforward, and you can submit your proposal on a rolling basis. OpenAI will evaluate and accept applications for funding or other support based on the potential impact, feasibility, novelty, and alignment with the program's goals. Now let me share with you some of the benefits and challenges of using AI for defensive cybersecurity. AI has the potential to enhance the security posture of organizations and individuals by automating tasks, improving detection and response, and providing insights and recommendations. However, AI also poses some risks and limitations that need to be addressed and mitigated. Some of the benefits of using AI for defensive cybersecurity are: AI can scale up and down to handle large volumes of data and events, and to adapt to changing environments and threats. AI can augment human capabilities and reduce human errors by providing assistance, guidance, and feedback. AI can learn from data and experience, and generate new knowledge and solutions that humans may not be able to discover or invent. AI can enable new forms of security services and products that are more accessible, affordable, and effective. Some of the challenges of using AI for defensive cybersecurity are: AI can be vulnerable to attacks, such as adversarial examples, data poisoning, model stealing, or backdoor insertion, that can compromise its integrity, availability, or confidentiality. AI can be biased, unfair, or inaccurate due to the quality, quantity, or diversity of the data it is trained on, or the algorithms it is based on. AI can be opaque, complex, or unpredictable, making it hard to understand, explain, or verify its behavior, decisions, or outcomes. AI can have unintended or harmful consequences, such as violating privacy, ethics, or laws, or creating new vulnerabilities or threats. Therefore, using AI for defensive cybersecurity requires careful design, implementation, testing, monitoring, and evaluation. It also requires collaboration and coordination among various stakeholders, such as researchers, developers, users, regulators, and auditors. The Cybersecurity Grant Program aims to support these efforts by providing funding and resources to projects that apply AI to defensive cybersecurity in a responsible and beneficial way. Using AI for defensive cybersecurity has numerous benefits and challenges. Some benefits include scalability, augmenting human capabilities, learning and innovation, and increased accessibility and affordability. However, challenges such as vulnerabilities, bias and inaccuracy, opacity and complexity, and unintended consequences need to be addressed. To overcome these challenges, careful design, implementation, testing, monitoring, and collaboration among stakeholders are essential. OpenAI's Cybersecurity Grant Program supports projects applying AI to defensive cybersecurity in a responsible and beneficial manner. Now, I'm going to give you some tips and resources on how to get started with AI and cybersecurity. Whether you are a beginner or an expert, there are many ways to learn and improve your skills in this exciting and important field. Some of the tips and resources are: take online courses or watch videos on AI and cybersecurity topics, such as machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, computer vision, cryptography, network security, malware analysis, etc. There are many platforms that offer free or affordable courses, such as Coursera, Udemy, edX, Khan Academy, YouTube, etc. Read books, blogs, papers, or newsletters on AI and cybersecurity trends, challenges, solutions, and best practices. Some examples are: The 100-Page Machine Learning Book by Andrei Burkov, Practical Malware Analysis by Michael Sikorsky and Andrew Honig, AI for Cybersecurity by Nils Berglund and Arun Viswanath, The Hacker News Blog, the AI Alignment Newsletter, etc. Participate in online communities or events on AI and cybersecurity, such as forums, podcasts, webinars, hackathons, competitions, etc. You can network with other enthusiasts or experts, share your ideas or questions, get feedback or support, and learn from others' experiences or insights. Some examples are Reddit, Stack Overflow, Kaggle, DEF CON, CTF Time, etc. Work on your own projects or join existing ones that apply AI to defensive cybersecurity. You can use open-source tools or frameworks, such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, Scikit-learn, Keras, OpenAI Gym, etc. You can also use datasets or benchmarks that are relevant to AI and cybersecurity, such as MNIST, ImageNet, CIFAR 10, LFW, NIST Cybersecurity Framework, MITRE ATT and CK, etc. And of course, you can apply for the Cybersecurity Grant Program if you have a promising project idea. I hope these tips and resources will help you get started or advance your journey in AI and cybersecurity. I also hope you found this video series informative and useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching and see you next time.